Airtable has been making waves as a spreadsheet database tool, but does it really live up to the hype? Today we're diving into whether this platform truly delivers for users seeking a more organized approach to data management. Airtable combines the familiarity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database, allowing users to create customizable tables that can hold all kinds of data. You can link records, attach files, and even create forms for data entry, which feels pretty intuitive at first. The user interface is clean and visually appealing, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users alike. However, one thing that stands out is the variety of templates available, which cater to different industries, everything from project management to event planning. This could be a real time saver for someone just starting out. But on the flip side, some features can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with databases. The learning curve might be a bit steep for occasional users. Overall, while it's designed to be user-friendly, the depth of functionality may leave some feeling a bit lost. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Airtable's flexibility is a huge draw. You can tailor it to fit your specific needs, and the visual layouts are a breath of fresh air compared to traditional spreadsheets. However, there are some frustrations. For starters, the pricing can get a bit steep, especially if you want access to advanced features. Additionally, some users report that the free version is quite limited, which might not suit everyone's needs. Trust-wise, while Airtable is a reputable platform, the lack of transparency around data security policies might raise eyebrows for those handling sensitive information. It's also worth noting that while it excels for teams and projects, solo users or those needing simple spreadsheet functions might find it to be overkill. In conclusion, Airtable is a powerful tool for those who need a versatile data management solution, particularly teams working on complex projects. However, if you're just looking for basic spreadsheet functions, you might want to explore simpler alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out if you can navigate its complexities and find a plan that fits your budget.